on doors, I listen to them, and I represent them. And that's the quality that I will bring in the work I will do along with you as the leader of our party. And as we get ready to fight the next election with confidence and really focus on issues that what people are talking about. We need to make sure that we figure out where the pain points are in people's life and make their lives easier to live, to help them improve their quality of life. That's what people want from government. Otherwise, people are happy. But when they want those important services like healthcare, कि local hospital में या doctor हो या अगर हमारा बच्चा बीमार हो तो हमें फौरन उसके लिए care मिल जाए. There's nothing more important personally than that. कि जब बच्चे हमारे स्कूल जाएं, we are satisfied that they're in a good, safe environment and they will have opportunity to succeed and be, inshallah, be whatever they want to. That's what we want. We pay taxes for that. But when that confidence disappears, as they say, Houston, we've got a problem. And I think we have a problem right now in Ontario. And this is why I don't trust Mr. Ford. Despite his folksy style, he's neglecting these important things, and only very few in this province are doing well and are making the money. And this government is not about all of us, every one of us, regardless of your background, regardless of how big is your wallet. And that's what we need back to focus on. My very last point to you, and some of you know this, in politics, in fact in life, nobody can do things by themselves. I think we all know that. It's always a team effort. I will not be successful. I can give you speeches, but I will not be successful in becoming the leader of a party and then fighting the fight we have to fight in 2026 all by myself. And in fact, the reason that I am touring the province and meeting with friends like you, with the generosity of people like Wড়ائچ, is so that I can say to you and ask you, please join this effort. We're building a movement here. This is a team effort, and we are all in this together. And my job is to listen to you, to understand your perspective, and do my very best to reflect those and across this province. I'm of the view, and mark my word, when I launch this campaign, I won't be just launching it to be the leader of the party. I will be launching it to become the premier in 2026. That's the work we have to do. And we will do it with a team of good, competent, local representatives, local candidates who will speak about their community and the needs of our community. And inshallah, we can form government. And I look forward to working with you and earning every single one of your support so that we can get the leadership stage first and then start working towards forming the government in 2026. Thank you very much.